Crete United's network of trusted partners in the Mountain Division includes CSI, Foster, Nielsen, Piper, and Tramar. Together, these partners deliver comprehensive building services expertise across the region. From building automation and energy efficiency solutions to plumbing services, HVAC and mechanical systems, and electrical services, each partner brings specialized capabilities designed to support diverse facility requirements. The Mountain Division also includes sheet metal fabrication along with dedicated service and maintenance support, delivering integrated solutions that extend beyond traditional MEP services. With extensive experience operating in mountain environments, our teams understand the challenges of high-altitude conditions, wide seasonal temperature swings, snow loads, and dry climates, providing the right equipment selections, preventive maintenance strategies, and system controls to ensure long-term performance and reliability. Reach out today to see how Crete United's Mountain Division partners can help make your next project a success.